welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, welcome. And if you're not, welcome back. I've missed you since our last video. I really have, I'm not just saying that. All right, today I'm so excited for this tutorial. Look at how cute this thing is. Okay, so I've promised you guys that this year I'm going to be coming out with a lot of Disney tutorials that will help you to be able to sell stuff. And one of those things is buying from licensed distributors and then sprucing things up and selling them. So that is completely legal. It's like if you were to buy something and sell it on Craigslist. It's basically reselling your own personal property. But when you spruce it up with some Auntie Tay bling, oh look, the sun's coming out, so it's making it perfect because I can show you how blingy this stuff is. The camera does not do it justice, but this is our color, which is 16th birthday, and you get it on shopauntietay.com. If you'd like a 20% off coupon, you can become one of my members. They always get 20% off, and we have lots of really cool products, craft products. So this one is one of them, which is my bling. I'm gonna be featuring it a lot this year to get it out and about into the world so that you guys know that I'm carrying it and that I'm in love with it. We are refining the colors this year, so I'm gonna kind of bring you guys along behind the scenes in my vlog footage that comes out on Fridays. I will be pulling colors and showing you guys how I test products and all those things. This is 16th birthday, the color 16th birthday. It is here to stay. It is one of our favorite colors. And can we just talk about this? Like, okay, let's just start on the tutorial because this is so cute. So I got this on Amazon and you can get it in my Amazon store. I added it, I add everything I always use in videos to my Amazon store. And I was super excited when I found Loungefly on Amazon. I think I even talked about it in the tutorial. So let's get going. Alrighty, so we are starting with this adorable Minnie Mouse Loungefly wallet, which you can get in my Amazon store. When I discovered that I could get Loungefly products on Amazon, I was so excited because it inspired me to do this designer series, and I had to start with this wallet when I found it. It is ridiculously cute. The inside has pink and black detail polka dots, has this cute little coin pocket on the inside, and if you've never experienced Loungefly products, they sell in the Disney parks and they are 100% Disney licensed, so they are a great product that if you're going to bling up, you could resell for a little bit more than what you bought it for. But with all these really cute pockets, this wallet had me shook. And then look at this embroidered little Minnie Mouse with the two little dotted eyes. I was looking for something that had pink on it so that I could use just a subtle amount of crystals. And then on the other side, it has the Loungefly Disney emblem, and it is just ridiculously cute. So let's get going. Okay, so I'm going to start with 16th birthday crystals. I'm just going to dump them all into my handy dandy crystal organizer. Working on getting something on the market for you guys so you guys can have something similar to this. And we're going to use E6000 glue. Just remember, use this in a well-ventilated area. Or outdoors, but just remember that in any ventilated area, you're going to deal with the glue drying pretty quickly. So you just want to work in small sections and make sure to put the cap back on the glue when you're not working with it. I like to do kind of a full thin layer, and I lightly put the crystals on so that I can gently move them around if I need to. And then once I have them all completely in place, I kind of give them a little push to embed them into the glue just a little bit more, like so. And if any of them move off, just move them back on. And it takes about 24 hours for E6000 to fully cure. So I really like that about it because you can manipulate the crystals where you want them, and then you have some time to work, but it does start to dry. The stickiness of it disappears after a few minutes. So you do want to work in small sections, and that's the nice thing about this is you can work on it and then walk away from it and then put a little bit more on later. This wallet took me in total about 10 minutes to do, and it was so ridiculously cute and blingy when it was done. I am literally obsessed.